Stop creating AI construction videos. The trend has shifted and a new style of content is exploding right now. Channels that upload epoxy table restoration or waste wood being turned into beautiful tables are getting massive attention. Just take a look at this channel and open their popular videos section. Check the view counts. Most of their top uploads have pulled in millions of views. And if you're concerned about monetization, simply copy their channel link, open any monetization checker website, paste the link, and instantly you'll see the results. And if you still doubt it, feel free to test it on any other site as well. So instead of wasting more time, let's jump directly into today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to produce these viral epoxy table renovation videos using completely free AI tools powered by our master prompt. We've built a universal prompt that provides both concept generation prompts and master prompts for video creation. In simple terms, you don't need to do anything manually. The entire process runs automatically. You'll find the link to this prompt in the description, and if you want it directly, I can share it with you in the comments. Just type prompt and I'll personally reply with the link. To start using it, first copy the concept prompt and open Grok. Paste the prompt and run it. Within seconds, you'll receive 10 unique video ideas. Each idea also includes an estimated view potential, which helps you understand which concepts have the highest chance of going viral. Choose the ideas with strong viral potential because the system also explains why those concepts can perform well. For this example, we'll go with the third idea. Next, return to the master prompt. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Look for the line that says Enter Title here and replace it with your selected video title. For instance, Stone River Coffee Table. Run the prompt and ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for every scene, along with matching video prompts. For image generation, we'll use Google Flow. Even on a free account, you can create around 50 to 60 images, which is more than enough for this workflow. Start by clicking New Project. If you're on the free plan, choose Nano Banana 2 instead of the Pro version. You'll notice a message saying the generation will use 0 credits, which means you can create images completely free. Now switch the format to portrait mode. After that, select how many images you want per prompt. Usually, I recommend generating 2 images. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and run it. Then repeat the same process for prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4, and continue until all prompts are generated. Once your images are ready, pick the best ones and download them. Free accounts allow downloads in 1080p resolution, which is perfectly fine for this type of content. After preparing all images, we move on to video creation using Grok AI. Open Grok Imagine and choose the Animate Image option. Upload your first image and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a short wait, your first animated video clip will be ready. Next, upscale the video by going to Edit, selecting Upscale Video, and then download the final version. Repeat this same process for every image and scene. Remember, we are producing cinematic sequences, not simple time-lapse clips. Each scene should be a separate cut, rather than one long continuous camera shot. If you reach the free generation limit, don't worry. There's a trick that lets you use the Grok AI free version without limits, and you can find that link in the video description. Once all your clips are completed, open your preferred video editing software. Import every clip in the correct order. You'll notice a Grok watermark at the bottom, so set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and slightly crop the frame to remove the watermark. And that's it. Your video is ready to upload. Thanks for watching. By following this method, you can produce viral AI-generated videos completely free. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update.